Hello guys, good morning once again. It's A3 Tech channel once again. Thank you for staying tuned. So I told you in the part 1 of SocialRebel video, I will be making a video when I hit the 200 mark to withdraw from the site. Let's see, are they really keeping their promise? As you can see, if you watch my previous video, link is below. You can see now the offer commission is there. I already tick all the clicks 100%, all the criteria. So this is what we have here now, but let's just do another refresh. Okay, I think we're good. Then I'm clicking on cash out. Like I showed earlier, I'm trying to withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet. I've met up all the criteria except there is another criteria I don't understand, which if they bring that, then they are not keeping to their word. Okay, so let's click on cash out. Your cash out request has been accepted. Right now our payment team is manually reviewing your stats to see if your stats are legit. When confirmed, your payment will be sent on the scheduled date. More details are available in payment history. Okay, you can see now these are one thing I'm not surprised about. Yeah, the payment team are reviewing everything now. They are currently reviewing everything, so they said I will get the payment on a scheduled day. Warning, your SocialRebel balance is not above 120. You need to enter withdraw. So in order to wait for the other aspect of the video, of the verification, I will keep posting these on my social media and the likes so that I can earn more. So by the time they done that, I can have another money to withdraw. You can see now it's a payment status verifying your stats. So thank you very much for staying tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.